Any other questions?
The importance of being a part of that community. I gotta tell y'all, the first time I met or saw Mr. Furry, we were at the Farm to Fork event in Perry County, and he was standing on stage. And I believe they asked you to share something. They said this thing called opening ceremonies. Some of you have had to memorize that this semester. Where if I were to say the advisor, you would say,
Here by the owl.
here by the owl.
Here by the owl. The owl is a time-honored emblem of knowledge and wisdom. Being older than the rest of you, I'm asked to advise you from time to time. I hope that my advice will always be based upon knowledge and ripened with wisdom.
There you go, right there, boom! And so he gave that and shared, and I said, you know what, we need to have the opportunity to realize that we truly stand on the shoulders of giants. The success of agriculture education isn't because of just what happened today, but the hard work that was done before. What questions do you have with this expertise in front of you? I don't know if y'all picked up on it, but Mr. Furry served as a principal. I can't remember. How long were you an administrator in the school after you completed your ag teaching career?
Well, I was teacher of agriculture from 1955 at Greenwood until 1963. Unfortunately, in 1963, a teacher passed away, and I was part-time principal at that time, Bill Updegrove. And I was, and at the same time in 1963, I won't forget it, President Kennedy was shot. I remember that occasion, putting it out over the microphone of the death of Kennedy in 1963. So from 1963 to 1980, I was principal. And then I retired from education in 1980, and I took a part-time job with Perry County Conservation District. At that time, gypsy moths were bad in the county. So I worked with the Bureau of Forestry on that, where I had 9 workers out over the woods of Perry County measuring off so that the plane could spray for gypsy moth. And so I was 10 years of that work, and I was active in the Carlisle Presbytery. Being a Presbyterian, I was pretty active on most of the committees in the Carlisle area for the Carlisle Presbytery.